Get ready to spice up your meals with the Mediterranean twist. Today we are making 3 Greek-inspired meals that take 15 minutes or less to make. First up, we are making baked salmon over summer succotash. For the ingredients, you will need 2 salmon fillets, a half a cup black-eyed peas, a half a cup shelled edamame, a half a cup kale, 1 cup squash and zucchini, a quarter bell pepper, 1 small tomato, 1 garlic clove, 1 cup vegetable stock, 4 basil leaves, Tabasco sauce, oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. First, we'll begin by preparing the baking sheet and the salmon fillets. Season your fillets with salt and pepper. Then they are ready for the oven, which you will have preheated to 350 degrees. Bake for 15 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. While the fillets are cooking, dice all your vegetables into half-inch cubes. The device used in this demonstration is called a food chopper, which is good for individuals with limited hand dexterity or for those looking to save time prepping ingredients. Place to the side, and let's prepare the pan. Add some oil to your skillet, followed by a spoonful of garlic. Then add the chopped veggies and let it cook. Next, let's dice the tomato. Once chopped, place to the side. Go ahead and add the black-eyed peas, salt, and pepper. Now, let's chop the zucchini and squash. Add to the pan with some chicken broth and let it simmer for a minute or 2. After, toss in some kale, edamame, then add some oyster sauce. For a little kick, add some hot sauce. Cut the ends off the lemon and squeeze into the succotash. Now we can add the tomatoes and a little bit more of salt and pepper. Turn off the stove, and by this point, the salmon should be ready to pull out of the oven. Grab a dish and add the succotash to the base of the bowl. Place the salmon on top and garnish it with ribbons of basil. And that's it for baked salmon over summer succotash. The next recipe we will make is shrimp and artichoke linguine with sun-dried tomatoes. For this recipe you will need 1 pound frozen shrimp, 1½ cups of artichoke hearts, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 to 2 cloves of garlic, 8 to 10 ounce linguine, ½ a cup sun-dried tomato, ½ a cup shredded parmesan, 2 cups spinach, 1 lemon, basil, salt, and pepper. Let's begin with preheating the oven to 350 degrees and cook the noodles according to the package directions. Switch out for a clean pan and heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil to medium-high heat. Add shrimp, giving a quick sear, tossing until just pink. Then season with salt and pepper. When finished cooking, remove the pan and wipe clean. Add oil and the pine nuts. Toast pine nuts until lightly golden. Add the artichoke heart and sun-dried tomatoes. Pour in the leftover pasta water and the edamame. Now it's time to add the Parmesan cheese. Next, add the garlic and saute until the garlic is fragrant. Turn off the heat, add the shrimp, and top it off with some lemon juice. We're ready to begin plating. Add the drained pasta to the bowl, followed by the shrimp and vegetables. Lastly, grab some of the fresh basil and chop finely to use as garnish. And your shrimp and artichoke linguine with sun-dried tomatoes is finished. For the last recipe, we are making lemon chicken soup with ginger. For your ingredients, you will need 2 chicken breasts, 4 cups chicken broth, 4 tablespoons ginger paste, 2 cloves garlic, 2 lemons, 4 ounces of cooked pasta, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 2 bay leaves, fresh parsley, and salt and pepper. Let's start out by preparing the chicken breast. Cube the chicken into 1-inch cubes. Preheat the pan with oil. Sear chicken in pan for 3 to 4 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Add ginger paste and garlic to the pan. Mix the ingredients and add the broth to the pan, followed with some lemon juice. Add the noodles and cook for 6 to 8 minutes until pasta is tender. Remember to stir throughout. To help with stirring, we are using an assistive device called an automatic stirrer. Simply place it in a pan or pot and the stirrer will automatically rotate by itself. Add some bay leaves, lemon juice, or ginger paste to your liking, and finally chop parsley to use as garnish. Ladle the soup into a bowl, and just like that, our dish is ready. And that's our 3 recipes for Mediterranean meals that can be made in 15 minutes or less. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know which one is your favorite. Catch you next time!